Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to enable large emoji in Telegram chats using the latest updated settings. If you enjoy sending emojis and want them to appear bigger and more expressive in your conversations, this quick setting is exactly what you need. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all the settings. Once you're on the main screen, look at the top corner and tap on the menu icon, which appears as three horizontal lines. This will open up the side menu where you can find all your account options. From here, tap on Settings. This will take you to the main settings page where you can customize your Telegram experience. Next, tap on Chat Settings. This section controls how your messages, text, and media appear inside your chats. Now scroll down until you find the option called Stickers and Emoji. Go ahead and tap on it to open more customization options related to emojis and stickers. Inside this section, look for the toggle labeled Large Emoji. When this option is turned on, any emoji you send by itself in a message will appear bigger and more noticeable in the chat. Simply toggle it on, and that's it. Your large emojis are now enabled. From now on, whenever you send a single emoji in a message, it will automatically display in a larger size, making your chats more fun and expressive. If you ever want to switch back, you can follow the same steps and turn the option off at any time. That's how you enable large emoji in Telegram chats using the latest update.